Hello guys, on part 6 of our series of video about API 577 building inspection and metallurgy examination, we are going to talk about exam and scoring. I'm Ash from inspector-training.com, and at the end of this series of videos, I will be also presenting our training courses. So this is a computer-based exam, and it's done by Prometric with over 500 locations worldwide. If you need to opt for in-person or walk-in, then you can also look at the ICP accommodation policy, and you can ask them the ICP exam coordinator, because it's a first time, first come, serve basis. And if you can't find a seat, then talk to them. And there is a email address for that. And if you have any difficulty with scheduling online, you can send the email to Prometric customer service, and they'll tell you how to deal with it. We had recently some candidates that trouble, and I checked it myself; it wasn't working. It says no available seat for next 6 months for that guy, and then I advise him to contact the Prometric customer service. They will always very quick to help. If you want to reschedule or cancel a CBT, then there is some rules here. You can reschedule the same testing window at no cost, 60 days before your exam appointment. Remember, it's the same window. You cannot change the window, but within the same 21 days testing window, you can at no cost do it 60 days before your appointment. Within 36 days, $35, and within 5 to 29 days is $70. And less than 5 days, you cannot do that. So you have to attend the exam. There are tutorial about what to expect on exam day in the case of like how to the app works, the computer works for you, and there is video instruction also. And if you opt for report exam, I've already explained API 577 fall into that option that you can do remote, and but it's the same set of rules. I've already explained in my last videos that how that works. And you can you go to Prometric scheduling website, and you schedule a remote proctored exam, punching in your name and your email authorization number. You have any problem, talk to customer service of Prometric. They're quick to respond. Scoring is within 24 hours of testing, you get your final score. Confirmed score used to take like 6 to 8 weeks normally. Now it's much quicker, and within 3 business days, you actually see the certificate on your account. It's a digital certificate with barcode, easily verifiable. You can save it or print it up. When you pass, it's a scaled scoring. It's like API has got a question data bank, like 1,000 questions. So every time you do the exam, it's a different set of questions. And as and when the publication of it or the reference study material, they update it. So the new question comes in. If there is anything that, and those questions, they called, as I told you, a score, a non-score question, and then those, once they've been vetted, they've been challenged by the candidates, or they have been tested, level of difficulty, they go into the question data bank. Now, each set of questions, they might slightly be different in level of difficulty. So they will see that the level of difficulty, based on that, they call it, so it's equating the score in the sense that if something is slightly less difficult, then the passing score is more. Like normally it's 70%.
70%. On a scale of 200 to 500, you should get 400. 400 means you passed. 500 means you should get 70%. 70 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 means you should get 70%.
as pass mark, which is normally 70%. Now that might be 71% or 72% or 68%, 69% if it is more difficult than its other set of questions of their counterpart. Okay, so that's called equating, and the certificate, as I said, is digital. If you want a hard copy, if you are inside US, you pay $25. Outside US, $100 for shipping. And they will post you that certificate. Takes around 2 to 4 weeks or more, depending where you are. So that's all about this certification and exam and scoring. And on next video, we'll talk about frequently asked questions that we might have. Thank you.